How's it going, everybody? Matt Diamond with Kalshi, and today we're going to talk about trading Forex or currency pairs using event contracts on Kalshi. Now, first, let's talk about what Forex is. Forex is a portmanteau of the words foreign, currency, and exchange. Foreign exchange is the process of changing one currency into another for various reasons, usually for commerce, trading, or tourism. According to a 2022 triennial report from the Bank of International Settlements, a global bank for national central banks, the daily global volume for Forex trading reached 7.5 trillion in 2022. So some key takeaways are the foreign exchange or Forex market is a global marketplace for exchanging national currencies. Because of the worldwide reach of trade, commerce, and finance, Forex markets tend to be the world's largest and most liquid asset markets. Currencies trade against each other as exchange rate pairs. For example, Euro USD, which is what we're going to go over today, is a currency pair for trading the euro against the US dollar. Some market participants use Forex to hedge against international currency and interest rate risk, speculate on geopolitical events, and diversify portfolios, among other reasons. I know that the Forex market is a very big market and a lot of people are interested in it, so I think this is going to be a good video. Some of the event contracts we're going to trade today is going to be the Euro USD yearly high, the Euro USD yearly low, the USD JPY yearly high, the USD JPY yearly low, and then the USD ruble yearly high. And what we'll do is we'll look at the daily chart and then we'll break down some basic technical analysis and then have certain situations on which could possibly play out and then how you express your opinion trading these contracts on Kalshi. So now let's look at the Euro USD. This is the daily chart on the left and looking at the low 0.95 and the high 1.12. But you can see it's been in a steady uptrend. So we're just going to keep it pretty simple. If we believe that this uptrend is going to continue and we're bullish on this pair, we know that the high was 1.12. So we think that if it continues to have a uptrend, continues to be bullish, that there is the possibility that it could get above this prior high and who knows, break out and have a bullish move to the upside. So now to structure the actual trade. So going into the Euro USD yearly high, so that high was 1.12, and we believe that there is the possibility that it's going to break out and have a move above that prior high and continue that uptrend. So a very simple way to structure this trade would be above 1.15, trade the yes shares to the upside, taking a bullish outlook on Euro USD. And this is going to be for the yearly outlook, but the really cool thing with this is that you don't have to hold this for the rest of the year. So you don't have to hold this to expiration or at least when that yearly time frame would be met. Let's say you take this position and you're trading the 1.15 yes shares to the upside, and there is a big move that happens relatively soon on the Euro USD, you'll be in profit, maybe not by much, but those yes shares will be trading in profit. And if you feel like taking profits, you can do so. You don't have to wait till the end of the year. So if you have that P&L that's positive, you're able to take that trade off and you don't have to worry about holding it for months. Okay, so that was the Euro USD yearly high. Now let's look at the Euro USD yearly low. Going into the daily chart, let's break some of these technicals down. It has been in an uptrend. The yearly low is at 0.95. So here's how I see it, just breaking it down from the technicals. This 105 was a pretty big area of support. And if the Euro USD loses that 105 support, and for some reason there's news tied to this pair, and it has that move down to the yearly lows, that's what we're going to structure on the back end of Kalshi, expressing your opinion. So now going into the back end of Kalshi, clicking on the Euro USD yearly low, which was 105. If it gets below that, we think that there's a chance that it could get to that 0.95. A very simple way to structure this trade would be below $1, trading the yes shares. And similar to the Euro USD yearly, if it does have that aggressive move to the downside and you have taken a bearish position, believing that it's going to continue to go lower, and you've traded the yes shares on this below $1, these will increase in price and you will be in profit. So you don't have to wait till the end of the year to consider taking those profits. That's up to you what you want to do. So that was the Euro USD yearly low. Now let's go to the next pair, looking at the USD JPY yearly high. And this is the USD JPY daily chart to the left. Let's just do some basic technical analysis and keep it simple. The low was 127 and the high on the year was 151.93. It has been trending to the upside. So let's say that we believe that this uptrend is going to continue and we think that it has the possibility of getting above that 151.93 and maybe breaking out to the upside and having a bullish move. Now going into the back end of Kalshi, the USD JPY yearly high, a very simple bullish trade on this pair would be to trade the yes shares to the upside above 150 because that prior high was 151. And if it gets above that, we believe it's going to continue. That would be a very simple trade to structure. And remember, if you take this bullish position on this pair and there is a strong move that happens pretty soon, these will increase in price. So you don't have to hold this till the end of the year to be able to take profits if you want to, if it does have that big bullish move that happens a little bit sooner than expected. So that was the USD JPY yearly high. Now let's do the USD JPY yearly low. Going back to the daily chart, it has been in an uptrend, but look at this channel that it's been trading in. So just trying to keep the technicals very simple. If for some reason this struggles to move towards the highs and it gets back towards the lows of this channel, and for some reason there's news or just increased volatility, and it breaks the downside of this channel and starts to accelerate to the downside, the yearly low so far was 127. And if we believe that there is going to be a bearish move and it's going to break those lows on the year and have an accelerated move to the downside, we can go express that opinion on the back end of Kalshi. Going into the USD JPY yearly low, a very simple way to do that is that even though it's a little bit far away, if it does make that new low and we think that it's going to accelerate to the downside, as far as the highest level that we have here, we can say that 109.99 trade the yes shares to the downside because there's the likely probability, if we believe so, that it's going to close below that. And similar to all the other event contracts before, if there is an aggressive move to the downside that happens sooner than expected, and any one of these contracts that we trade happen to increase in price, we don't have to wait till the end of the year to take profits. You may not make the maximum profit, but if you want, you can take profits on that aggressive move, even if it's a small profit. And the last event contract we're going to go over is the USD Ruble yearly high. It only has the yearly high, not the yearly low contract for this. So we're going to go look at the daily chart. We're just going to pull it up on Yahoo Finance real quick. So the prior high is right at that 100 level, and it just pulled back a little bit, but it has been in an uptrend. So if we believe that it's going to continue that uptrend, and if it gets through that 100, that there is a possible breakout bullish move to the upside, then what we would do is going on to the back end of Kalshi, the USD RUB yearly high. A simple way to structure this trade would be the 100.01 or above, or if you think there's going to be an aggressive move higher, the 105.01 or above, and you could trade the yes shares to the upside. And similar to all the other contracts before that I talked about, if there is an aggressive move to the upside that happens a little bit sooner than expected, these yes shares will increase in value. So you will have profits. And if you want to take those profits, you can do so. You don't have to wait till the end of the year to close that trade out and even take a small profit if that's something that you want to do. So those are some examples on how to trade the Forex market using event contracts on Kalshi. I appreciate you watching the video. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.